Can Perseverance persevere? A Mars mission's uncertain future. The Perseverance rover, a stalwart explorer on Mars, faces an uncertain future as its mission's fate hangs in the balance. Engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory (JPL) are pushing the rover's capabilities to the limit, aiming for a remarkable 100-kilometer journey across the red planet's harsh terrain. But here's where it gets controversial. The original plan for a sample retrieval mission, expected to launch by 2028, has hit a major roadblock. As we approach 2026, the projected $11 billion Mars Sample Return (MSR) mission remains undecided, with no clear path forward. If it happens at all, it's unlikely to launch before the 2030s. This means Perseverance, which has dutifully collected 33 sample tubes since its arrival, must continue its mission in the face of uncertainty. Perseverance is approaching 5 years of exploration, and it's in excellent shape, says Steve Lee, the rover's deputy project manager at JPL. All systems are operational, and we're confident it can support the mission for many years to come. The rover's operators are counting on its resilience. With a distance of about 25 miles already under its wheels, Perseverance has doubled the original certification for its mobility system. But the real test lies ahead. Engineers are now certifying Perseverance to drive up to 100 kilometers. This ambitious goal is necessary for the rover to reach a safe landing zone for a potential sample retrieval mission. We've laid out a path to explore the crater rim and return to a rendezvous site, Lee explains. The total drive duration, with margins for exploration and flexibility, adds up to a nice, even 100 kilometers. But what if the MSR mission never materializes? Perseverance is prepared for that scenario too. The rover has 2 sets of sample tubes, some already deposited on Mars and others held for future collection. This dual depot approach ensures flexibility for future mission planners. Jezero Crater, the site of Perseverance's exploration, was chosen for its ancient river delta and clay-rich minerals. The rover's instruments have confirmed the presence of sediments deposited in a lake billions of years ago, raising the possibility of fossilized life. In September, a research team published findings suggesting chemical signatures and structures that could be evidence of ancient microbial life. We're asking, what was it like if you were a microbe living on the surface of Mars? Says Bryony Horgan, a mission scientist at Purdue University. The rover's journey along the crater rim takes us through different geological eras, providing a unique perspective. As Perseverance continues its exploration, it will collect samples when something catches the science team's interest. We have the option to fill a tube without sealing it, Lee says. This flexibility allows us to replace a sample if we find an area that better represents the diversity we're discovering. The future of the MSR mission remains uncertain, but Perseverance is ready to adapt. With its sophisticated instruments, the rover can scan rocks, search for organic molecules, map underground geology, and capture breathtaking vistas. It's a mission of discovery and resilience, waiting for the next chapter to unfold. And this is the part most people miss: the potential for a commercial sample return mission. NASA has explored this option, with companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Lockheed Martin submitting lower-cost concepts. The decision now rests with NASA's new administrator, Jared Isaacman, who must chart a course for Mars sample return amidst a sea of possibilities. What do you think? Should NASA pursue a commercial sample return mission, or wait for a human expedition to Mars? The future of Mars exploration is in our hands. Let's discuss in the comments.